Apparently he's been asleep for, what, 6 hours? He's starting to realize how hungry he is.
Hasn't eaten in 8.
Hasn't eaten for 8 hours, been asleep for 6. He's about to get angry.
Do you see his dimples sometimes? See? I think he gets dimples. He's like the Hulk.
Maybe he wants to go back to sleep. Nope.
Wake up. Wake up. Angry.
Me, Tona.
Time to wake up, buddy. It's time to eat.